Okay, so let's do this Samantha integration B 2023 problem. You have a summation of these two functions. So one thing I will try to do is take a substitution. When I take a t square as my this substitution, and when I try to simplify this expression, I get x. So one thing you want to look at, this function resemble this function, right? It's just the variable is changed. Okay, so when I take the derivative of this, I get this function. So what is the upper limit become? 0. When I plug my x to be 0, I get t to be 0. Upper limit, when I put x to the 1, I get upper limit to be 1. So this whole derivative, this whole function is basically 4 times t square, 2 minus t to the power square over 2 dt. And this function I can write it as x time derivative of this function, the first function. And this is the general expression, f of x plus x derivative of this function. So basically this function can be written as x time derivative of this function. And when you have this kind of expression, you can write that as x time. So the answer of that kind of integration is basically x time f of x. So remember, this is a competition, so they do expect you to know these kind of tricks. If you try to, so basically you can prove this expression by using integration by part. If you take integration of integration by part of this function, this gonna cancel out. You're gonna left with x time f of x. So, but that will take time. But if you're in a competition like this, they expect you to remember this. So we're gonna do the same. But you can prove this function. You can prove this whatever you call identity or something. Basically my f of x is basically x to the power cube 2 minus x square, and so which multiply with x become x cube to the divided by 2 minus x square, and this is from 1 to 0, and my answer is 1. So I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Will like, share and subscribe. I will see you next time.